Job chapter 22 verse 21 inasema, submit to God and be at peace with him, and in this way prosperity will come to you. Je, kitu fulani yenye unapata as believers, you want the second part of this of this statement. Utaki the first one, utaki submit to God and be at peace with him. And this is one of the things yenye unapata hata as believers and even unbelievers who will eventually believe. One of the aspects yenye the enemy uses is using this prosperity gospel to show you that God is good. Nenyewe ni mzuri, but you want to receive but don't want obedience. Kwa sababu ukiangalia hii chapter yote, chapter 22 ya Job, it first starts off talking about what does it please God, yeah, for you to be righteous. It highlights so much things. Paka inauliza, as human being, you'll never be perfect, you'll never be pure, you'll never be, paka anasema, look at even the moon. It's been there since the beginning. Haijai shine bright. Look at the stars. None of them is the brightest. As in, nothing is pure. Ndio maana anauliza, what does it benefit God? Akiwa huko juu kabisa, for my righteousness, ni nini inamsaidia? Unakuja kuona hapana, it's not even for the Lord. It's for you. That when you submit to God, na ufuate sheria zake, God will indeed be gracious enough to you. Ndio maana, like one of the things even in my current prayer I've been telling God is, God, one of the blessings I want from you is usiachilie maisha inifikishe to despair, na pia usiachilie maisha inifikishe to pride. Let me be hapo kwa stability, because in both sides is bad. Despair can run you to a very bad place bwana. Hata unajua when you are desperate you can do anything. You see an angry man can eat anything. Look at pride also. It comes before a fall. God hates it. It's disgusting. Yeah? So, the real thing, na nawaambia believers, keep praying for yourself and keep telling God to reveal to you the real truth that you need to follow. Bwana na muombe. Peace.